So, the reason why na nandun siya sa specific place kasi nautusan siya ng eldest namin to get his things. Kasi that time, kasama na sila ng girlfriend na nabuntis nga niya. So, yun, to cut the story short, dahil sa accident na naubos lahat ng meron kami. And he almost died. He went from hospitals to hospitals. My parents paid bills to bills until from a business that is usually earning 20,000 to 30,000 a day, we went back to having nothing. And it was hard. It was a real hard shift. Although hindi naman namin naranasan yung buhay na sobrang ramya. But at that time, since I was just on my first year at high school, hindi ko naramdaman na we're already like above average, na gano'n na pala kalaki yung pera, diba? So, hindi ko siya naramdaman because my parents are not really spoilers. So, we just get what we need. Sometimes we don't get it pa nga, but we are not the kind of children na na-spoiled talaga or been given the chance to enjoy the money of our parents. So, lahat, including properties that my parents acquired throughout the years of doing the business, and we even had debts, and that's really a very, very large amount of debts, like millions. So, about the debts, luckily we were able to pay it. But that was, I was already in college when they did it.